Hello, I'll continue with this extended access control list, which earlier we were discussing about the standard access control list. Yes, this is an extended part of access control list. See here, what is the difference between standard and extended is, in standard you can block or deny or allow only host or network. But here in extended, you can have even service or port to a remote network. Okay, so we will learn about the protocol, how you can write this extended access control list also in this lab. So as I mentioned, extended access control list starts from 100 to 199. Please remember that point. It should not have any other number else from 100 to 199. Okay, so yeah, extended access control list. So this the configuration steps are very simple. We will straight away focus into the lab of packet tracer. So here I do have this access control list lab, which contains two routers and protocol configured with different networks. Okay, again I tell you, I have configured this IP address, this 192.168.1.0 network, 10.1.1.0/24. This is 172.16.10.0/24 network, and already I have configured the protocol. I mean, what is that? EIGRP protocol, so that everything can communicate. Now our aim is to restrict a service called as telnet. Okay, for this particular user, 192.168.1.2 to 10.1.1.2. So by default, once you go into this desktop and click this command prompt, you can even connect to the router using this telnet. So, but provided line VTY should be enabled. Telnet, I can say give the interface ID or the IP ID 10.1.1.2. Sorry, telnet 2. Okay, connection closed. I think we have not configured line VTY for the password. Yes, we need to configure en config line VTY 04. Okay, password I can say star and right. So now let me go and try once again. Yeah, it asks for password. So this is telnet password we need to provide. So star. So I have entered to router B. So there are no restrictions from this system or from this system. I can enter. Now I want to see that this 1.2 is not supposed to telnet to 1.2. This is my aim. So how do I write? Telnet is a service basically. It can be a telnet or it can be FTP or it can be any service remotely where you can block. So here I'm logging into server A, en star. So I define an access list. Access list 110. Remember, it should start above 100 to 199. So 110. I can give any number. Okay, deny. What is that? TCP. Okay, host 192.168.1.2. I'm writing in my server itself 1.2. What is that? We need to define the port also. Host 10.1.1.2. So I'm blocking. This is the source. This is the destination. So host is the source. This host is the destination. What is that I want to stop? EQ telnet. Right. And then permit. Access list 110. Permit any. IP any. So here this is an extension of your access control list. Right. So now you have to apply this on an interface. FA 0/0 IP access group 110 in. towards the in direction. Okay, towards the in. Telnet should not be allowed. So now you can see and write memory. So what we have done is that we have write an access list so that this IP 192.168.1.2, this is the source, cannot telnet to the destination that is 10.1.1.2, right? So and then rest all can be done. So earlier we have done. Let me open the command prompt once again. It is already stuck. Okay, PC. So telnet, I'll try once again. 1.1.2, it is stucking. So it will not allow. This is how we write this extended access list. So, but whereas in 1.3, let me see. 192, sorry, what's that? 10 dot, telnet 10.1.1.2. This is okay. It has access service to the router. I hope this is clear. Basically, depending on your organizational requirement, you need to define the rules. Okay, I can save as EACL. Please do practice this one. This is okay. Thank you and bye.